Look at this. Damn, these are weird. What's in here? It's a chill ass tunnel. What is it doing out here? This feels like a place where I can't believe how pretty this is. I can't fathom it, man. I can't do it. I can't do it, yeah. Yeah, that looks so damn cool. Oh my god. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out. Get out. Look at this. It's so photogenic. It's absolutely photogenic. It's so pretty. I just want to run up there. I just want to run up in that mountain over there. What's over there? Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. My car is beautiful too. So cool. So cool. Oh, the trees. That's wild. Yeah. Truly spectacular. Oh. Shit, that water. That's so crazy. Oh, Jesus. That's so insane. That's so crazy. That is absolutely wow. Let's see. That's better. That is better. Oh God. It's cold. It's all hitting my face. That is kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy. Damn, these are weird, very weird rocks. Wonder why. It's water. The water did this to them. Yeah, it did. Fool in a Camry right there. That's crazy. Cruising in the Camry. I need to see what's up here. Let me see the rocks. See how the rocks look. Okay. Oh, ow. I'm getting showered on. I am getting showered on. Look at that. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. One times. It's all, okay. Interesting rock. Interesting. Holy cow. Very interesting. Look at that. Oh shit. Just fell. Wow. I can't believe you can just walk up here. It's so chill. It's so cool. There's water coming through here. I guess it leaks all the way down. That's cool. Should low-key put a Walmart right here. So that'd be cool. What the hell? It's a little chipmunk. What's he doing? What's he doing? What do you think I'm gonna do to you, bro? What do you think I'm gonna do? Oh my god. That is Theodore. Bro is thick. Sorry, I didn't mean to call you thick, but holy cow. Where does bro think he's going? Yeah. Bro's just running. He doesn't even know what for. Yeah, it's slippery. We still are able to see Jeff plus Lindsay established 2015. Good luck. Trail closed except if you kiss. That's kind of weird. James plus Marissa, February 2025. Not even a month in. Or maybe... Sorry, I interpreted that wrong. Shit. What is in here? That's kind of weird. It's up that rock. Get the hell out of here. Let's see. Yo, you could totally fit in there. It's just all this barbed wire right here is kind of fucked. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, people definitely go in here. They definitely hang out in here. Damn it, it even smells nasty in here. Dude, there's definitely a homeless guy who's fitting here. It's crazy. With all this nice nature, you still have people that ruin it. It's oh shit. Oh man, I would totally go in there. Wow. Pretty cool. It's 0.5. It's a little waterfall right there. And then it looks like it keeps going all the way. It's a chill ass tunnel. Chill ass tunnel. Wow. Graffiti is I can't even read that. OSIABPRIT backwards CT. That was you, Patty. Handwriting sucks. That's this little fish. That one's pretty cool. This one's actually really cool. Oh my god. This is not bad. This is fire. This is not. Man, I am just yeah, bud. Forgot to turn off the flash like a fucking moron. Bridge of Gods or something. Just gone with fucking buckaroos that costed me to cross that fucking bridge. Costed me $3 buck of fucking roos. That's a lot of fucking buckaroos, bro. It's all good though because I chopped my mufflers off. $3 buckaroos. $3 buckaroos. $3 buckaroos. Tell me this isn't strange. What is it doing out here? Where's the foot? Where's the foot? Does anybody think that's weird? Is that kind of weird? I think that's kind of weird. Hey. Damn, there's something in my shoe. What the fuck that hurt? Hey, look at that. Oh, what? I've never seen a worm move that fast. That was the nastiest shit I've ever seen in my life. What the fuck? Yo, why is he moving so fast? How do I know that was a worm? What the fuck was that? That's actually terrifying. That's sickening. Holy shit, that's disgusting. What is... Wow. Interesting. Interesting. Maybe I should have came here in the daytime. Cool. So you can walk on this, right? Yeah. I mean, I guess this feels like a place where I shouldn't even be right now, but I am. It's kind of making me smile a lot right now. I'm gonna go up to that level. Or it's zip tied, so I don't really want to mess with that. Is there like a lot? Oh shit! There's hella fish in there. Yo, what are they doing? Oh yeah. Check this out. This is a little life hack that I discovered. So, oh shit, what's going on? Oh shit! Fuck, dude, that was close. Who the hell knows what that freak was gonna do right there? Check it out. Put this thing on right here for the windshield, right? And then it's like you got all that wind blowing in your face, and you put it on max, and that shit really blows wind right in your face. And then you get up to this guy, you got all these clouds and everything blowing in your face. It's like low-key, you're driving a convertible. Like you just feel cool as fuck while you do it. Put on my sunglasses, but it's a little too dark. But yeah, it's pretty nice. You don't have a convertible. You don't even need one actually. got the AC.